Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious hot chocolate drink with cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. A splash of vanilla extract can also make a wonderful difference. Make sure you have a saucepan and a whisk ready for the process. Now, let's start by making a rich cocoa paste. In your saucepan, combine about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add just 2 tablespoons of milk or water to this dry mixture. Whisk everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, thick paste. This step prevents lumps and ensures a silky texture. With your cocoa paste ready, it's time to add the rest of the milk. Slowly pour in about 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to fully incorporate the paste. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Keep stirring gently as the mixture warms up. The goal is to heat it until it's steaming hot, but be careful not to let it boil, which can scorch the milk. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly warm and steaming, remove it from the heat. If you're using vanilla extract, now is the time to stir in about 1/4 of a teaspoon for an extra layer of flavor. Pour your freshly made hot chocolate into your favorite mug. Feel free to add toppings like whipped cream, mini marshmallows, or a dusting of cocoa powder for a special treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.